Hello, in this video I want to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. First you need to open the Instagram app, then go to the profile page. Here find the edit profile, click on it, and here find the personal information setting. Click on it, and here we can see our setting for account, and then find the personal details. Select it, and here click on the account ownership and control. Here we can deactivation or deletion the account. Then click in our account we want to deactivate, and then click on the deactivate account. Take the check mark next to this text. Not delete account, only deactivate, and click on the continue. Here we can enter the password and select the some days we want to deactivate account. And this all for this function. We have only this method for do it. This all for today. Goodbye.